What's up, what's up, what's up? I didn't even put you down in there. Oh, you got a vibe on that. Straight up. Tickety top, top, top. This is a great way to end off the year. Y'all, this install finna be so fast. Things we did today. That. What's up, y'all? What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl, Mary Kay, coming to you with another slide. I was gonna do the braid pattern off camera, but then I said, hold up, wait a minute. Let me put my 2 cents in it. I want to explain to you what I'm doing. However, before I do that, I know I'm looking kind of cray-cray, but I'm gonna go ahead and show love to my subscriber of the day, Bam! You're the bomb. You the bomb. Ooh. Ooh, y'all hear that? Oh, now you're not going. Boy, you ever do something and then you want to show somebody and it won't work. Now, y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Join the family. Join the fun. I know I'm super bright right now and it's kind of dark on this side and bright on this side. It's because the window is right there and it's sunny and it's like, bam, I'm going to illuminate this side of your face. And then this side is like, we ain't even got to be illuminated. We still great. So it's just that, you know, about this braid pattern. It's pretty much straight backs. However, this is going to be where my part is. 99% of the time I am wearing a right part. So with this being my part, I wanted an illusion, a very faint illusion box right here, just one, and right here, just one. The rest of these are straight backs. This particular braid pattern is a very low maintenance braid pattern. You'll still get a great outlook, as you will see when we do what we do, baby. You feel me? You're gonna see what I'm talking about, because I don't just be on here talking. I know y'all say I talk, because I talk, tickety talk. But I be doing though. I be saying stuff, don't I? My cousins will tell you I be saying stuff, bro. You say what you want to. You ever just be saying stuff, kicking that knowledge on them? Folk they don't be. Woo! So this one right here is probably going to be another one where I'll just have one illusion box, maybe. If you know wherever your part is, just have an illusion box on each side of those parts. You can even have illusion boxes all the way across in case you want to pull it back. So there are low pressure braid patterns. Also, because I'm having an off-center part, it's not even right in the middle. That means there's going to be more hair coming to this side than this side. So once you get over to your big side, I want you to make your cornrows a little bit juicier, okay? So that we can balance the sides out. Even though it's off center, the sides still gotta look like they go together. They gotta look like Barack and Michelle. They gotta have a little bit, or even Bobby and Whitney. You know they gotta vibe with each other. You can't just put them in there any type of way. You can't just put them in there any type of way. You gotta vibe on that, vibe on that. You gotta vibe them out. The only way you can do that is to make sure that this side does not overpower this side. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, and I'm gonna pack these literally like one finger width apart. When I get over here, I'm making my braids a little bit bigger, and also I'm gonna see as I go along, but some of these are gonna be 2 finger width apart probably. Most of them will probably be 1 finger width apart since I am compensating with making my braids larger. I probably don't have to change the finger widths that much. So it may still be 1 finger width apart on this side as well, but we'll see. But I just wanted to let you guys know, when you see the braid pattern, you'll notice that over here, the sections are so much more thick. That's just because I don't want to have as many pieces of hair. If I made this side even to this side, they wouldn't go together. Just keep that in mind. We want Bobby Whitney, Barack and Michelle, not Lionel Richie and his ex-wife. Anyways, y'all be getting me off. Y'all do that. That's why all my braids on this side are about to be real juicy. Oh, let me show you an easy way to make an individual box. Is you just start your cornrow and you do a few passes. 1, before you even start moving back. 2, 3, 4, get a nice base. 5, 6, then start moving back and grabbing the hair as you go back. And it will just naturally progress and give you that kind of box in the front. The rest will be what it will be. type of thing. I don't know if you guys can see that. It kind of just already, once you just braid a little bit, just go back and it'll give you that look. Now, if you don't know how to cornrow, you can use the rubber band method. Don't play around with the knot game, okay? It's a losing game. We don't win that game. We don't invite knots into our lives because, see, you have to not place yourself in the valley, you see. And although we fear no evil while we up and through there, we don't want to place ourselves in the valley. And the Lord just looks at that like, well, why would you, I didn't even put you down in there. You wasn't even supposed to be down there next Tuesday. That wasn't even for your life. I get you out because I love you, but I didn't put you in there. Don't come to me talking. We be like, Lord, why? He be up there like, I was finna ask you the same thing. Why you? Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna finish these next two cornrows and then I'm gonna jump to this hair. I'm gonna do something to this face and we are going to just enjoy the day. Alrighty, guys, so we are all finished. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cornrows. As you can see, they get a little juicier over on this side. They're a little smaller over on this side. The last thing that I'm going to do, because I want to do this before I put my face on, I'm going to use Arconic Coil Care Enthroned Edges. Favorite edge control for my hair. Now, you know, when it comes to edge control, you really have to find what works for you, for real. Edge control really works according to your particular hair. It can be bomb for one person, and then the next person use it like, what the heck, it's curling my hair up or whatever, I don't know. But this has been the most consistent that I've seen, not only for me, but for other people who have used it. I mean, and it's black owned, so hello. And I just did a few little Swoop-a-Doops. Nothing. I really should have brought my edge whisperer in here. Now, when you get this and you get the shape that you want, rub them down to get the maximum stay power. This is not, I need my little edge whisperer, y'all. All right, and if you don't know, that's the little comb brush thing. There we go. Now, you know, this is totally optional as well. I just want y'all to know. This is just when you want to be ignorant with your edges. Okay? But you do not have to. Bam. Okay? Y'all liking that? Hold on, let me get a piece of my thumbnail real quick. Hold on, this one right here is getting on my nerves. That happens sometimes. Because as they grow out, your little ear tab grows out of place, and then you don't have to, but I do. I snip mine because I want my edges to stay where they are. I don't want these ear tabs to grow too long, so I always keep those trimmed so that they can give me the edge that I want, because if not, it's gonna look too long like this. There we go. Now see, bam, easy breezy. Just like that. This one is actually too long too. It just behaved a little better. Go ahead and give it that work now. And y'all be careful when using manicure scissors because those bad boys are very pointy. And I just have like a little manicure set, and those are the scissors that I use when I want precise cutting. So yes, you guys, you do have to keep your edges trimmed if you want them to stay that way. Wonderful. So we are braided down, we swoop-a-doop, and we ready for this quick install. Now, what are we using? Well, speaking of black owned, we're using some black owned products today, honey. I'm going to be doing a passion twist install today. This is a great way to end off the year. This hair is from Loclicious. I've used them before. Y'all show so much love. Y'all sold their shelves out. Y'all the bomb. That's why when people be like, we don't support each other, I be like, I don't know, my cousins do. This time I'm using the passion twist, and of course I have all her information in the description box, so you make sure you check that out. I have 8-pack color T1B Burgundy. These are 18 inches. She has other colors. There's a total of 96 strands in all. These are handcrafted, hand twisted, premium fiber synthetic hair. I've never had any problem with her hair or, you know, like irritation with the fiber. Her shipping is fast. Over $75, you get free shipping. Oh, honey, I just clicked on her website and she has a BOGO. Yeah. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on with the sales, sis. I've never used her passion twist before, so I'm really excited. Y'all already know. I hope this loop is legit. Very nice. They're very light. They're kind of I would say these are medium size. They're not super large, but they're not tiny. They feel natural. No wig shine. Yes, yes, sis, yes. And of course, I do not have my crochet hook. Oh, I just have my ends in a ponytail. In previous videos, my previous detailed videos, I already let you guys know what to do if your hair is a little bit longer. Let's look at this loop. Oh, yes. Y'all, this install finna be so fast. This loop is the perfect loop. Very flexible, very loose and tight at the same time. I don't know if that makes sense. It's very easy to manipulate, and when you let it go, it just springs right back. Bam, like it never even happened. I'm feeling it. So I'm just gonna do a few, then I'm gonna get my face together. I'm gonna come back with an overall look. Remember, whatever way you want the hair to fall, that's the way you hold your needle. So I'm going down, bam, close the latch hook. Do not pull this through before you do, because it will pull and honey, it won't be cool. Yes, come on now. Oh, this will make for a very fast install, y'all. Straight up. I really don't even need to use the yeah, this is gonna be so y'all, this gonna be so I be trying to tell folks. That's why I love when y'all post your results and stuff on Instagram and tag me and I can share it, because I be trying to tell folks, y'all don't realize how easy this is. Just look how fast we moving as I'm just talking to you. And I only have one pack out. Once I'm off camera, I'm definitely gonna take all these loose so I can be on my get it girl get it, because it's gonna be quick. This is going to be probably about 30 minutes. I can look at it and tell this is a 30-minute install. Easy. This is so easy. This is so easy, y'all. Like, I'm on my second cornrow. I ain't got but 9 of them. Come on now. Hardest part about this is figuring out how I'm gonna do my face, bruh. This is for people who are not really as detailed and concerned when it comes to the braid pattern. You just want a nice, sturdy base. That's really all you're concerned about. I got you. I got you. I'll be happy. I told you that. I'll be happy, y'all. And I'm still giving it to you in a way where you can still give an illusion. You see? You can still give an illusion and you still have a very easy, simple braid pattern. Ooh, hold on, y'all. My word of the day just came in. Hobbledehoy. Origin is unknown. Oh. It means a clumsy or awkward youth. Oh, bless their heart. An example. I felt like a real hobbledehoy at my first job. Oh, I understand. I felt like a hobbledehoy myself at my first job. I really did. Nice. Hobbledehoy. My next super detailed video, I'll show more of the back, but y'all, when you see it, you're gonna be like, oh. It's literally the same thing. I'm not doing anything differently. Nothing. At all. Not even a little bit. One finger width apart, sis. We moving. This is 100% a 30-minute style. Install. 30-minute install, y'all. I gotta keep saying that because some folk be on here, girl, you know it took you longer than 30 minutes. I'll be like, I said install, honey. You new to my channel. It's okay. Some of y'all not new. Some folk just don't be. Some folk just love getting on here being ignorant. Hey, let me say what's up to my new subscribers, because I have so many. And man, y'all are ridiculously ridiculous. I love it. I love it. And then y'all telling your cousins and your mama now and your kids, because this is, you can watch, all y'all can watch my channel. I appreciate y'all so much. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, hold up. I know y'all probably like, didn't you just say? I feel like this side is getting to be the fullness that I want. So somewhere off in the middle, I need to do 2 finger widths. This braid right here, because it's not far up to the top, so it's not going to be as noticeable. I'm going to take every other twist out up here in the front. So that will equate to 2 finger widths apart. I hope that makes sense. But the back I'm going to keep, because I need that to be full so it can cover up everything it has to cover. Okay, so now you see there's spacing in between this braid right here. The one underneath it, I'm going to take this 1, 2, 3rd one and the 5th one out. And that should be good. Everything else I'm going to do 1 finger width apart. So really it's 1 finger width apart, 2 finger widths apart until you get to the back. Then you do 1 finger width apart. 2 finger width apart until you get to the back. 1 finger width apart. Then the rest of the head is going to be 1 finger width apart. Okay? Hope that makes sense. It really, really do. Okay, now I'll be right back for real this time. Okay, you guys, so I'm done. Like I thought, it was fit to be real quick. It was. Now I'm at the end, and as you can see, they look like they go together. Yeah, I like this. Now that we're up here at the top, wherever your part is, if you want to close this up, your crochet hook, one twist, and then you go underneath 2 braids, okay, and you crochet as normally. And then when you pull it through and knot it, it'll close these together. What I'm going to do is right next to where the pieces are, I'm just going to crochet the hair right next to it, and it's going to close that. Now you can leave it like this and it's fine. This is just fine tuning if you want to do that. And I'm still moving in a downward direction, and I'm just going to go right next to each piece that I already did on that braid. I'm just on the hair. The full set was done in 7 packs. This fine tuning that I'm doing, that's optional. Now I have now I have opened up the 8th pack. I'm gonna do it over here too. So how y'all been? How was your Christmas? How your mom and them doing? Whoop. Y'all, yes. Bam, that's it. Just a little fine tuning, you feel me? Now I'm gonna go do my face, and I'll have the final results once my face is done. But yeah, this is it. It still gives you the look. It's just not as individual-ish as if you do this whole front section with your individual illusion boxes. Let me know if you have any questions. Big shout out to Loclicious. So not only do they have new locks, they also have passion twists. Peace, love, and light. Y'all gonna know it.
Wait, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is